Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning to all. Welcome to chemistry class, alloalkenes and alloarenes. In the last class we discussed about preparation of alloarenes from the different method. Another one method is there, that is Sandmeyer reaction. What is this? Conversion of diazonium salt to the halohydrocarbons. Conversion of diazonium salt of aromatic hydrocarbons to allo or cyanohydrocarbon in the presence of cuprous halide or cyanide is called Sandmeyer reaction. What is that? Conversion of diazonium salt of aromatic hydrocarbons to halo or cyanohydrocarbons in the presence of cuprous halide. This is the cuprous halide or cyanide is called Sandmeyer reaction. If you want halogen, you need to use cuprous halide. If you want cyanide, you need to use cyanide as the reagent or catalyst to prepare the product. Here, for the Sandmeyer reaction, we require what's diazonium salt. This is the diazonium salt. Benzene ring attached. This attacks the N2X. X may be the bromide or chloride. If you take Cl here Cu2 Cl2. Then you will get chlorobenzene. If you took Br, bromo, sodium salt of bromine, you need to take cuprous bromide. Here you will get bromobenzene. For this reaction we require diazonium salt. How to prepare that diazonium salt? We need to prepare like this. Aniline, benzene ring with NH2, we call it as aniline or aminobenzene. This aniline is treated with sodium nitrate and halogen acid. This aniline is treated with sodium nitrate and halogen acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, means cool temperature. We will get diazonium salt. By using this diazonium salt, we can prepare the bromo or chlorobenzene. Preparation of iodobenzene, we need to use potassium iodide. We don't want cuprous iodide. Instead of cuprous iodide, we need to use potassium iodide to prepare the iodobenzene with diazonium salt. Diazonium salt is treated with potassium iodide at warm condition, you will get iodobenzene with N2, that is the extra product. This is about the preparation of chloro, bromo and iodo. If you want fluorobenzene, what you want to do? You need to follow the Cheeman reaction. What is the Cheeman reaction? Preparation of fluorobenzene from diazonium salt by treating with fluoroboric acid. Preparation of fluorobenzene by using diazonium salt with fluoroboric acid. You will get fluorobenzene with N2BF3 and HCl are the extra product. This is about the Cheeman reaction. Cheeman reaction is nothing but conversion of diazonium salt by treating with a fluoroboric acid. You will get what? Fluorobenzene. That reaction we call it as Cheeman reaction. Next one, Gutterman reaction. It says in the case of using, instead of using cuprous halide, we can also use copper powder with halogen acid. If you want to prepare chlorobenzene, you can prepare by diazonium salt is treated with copper powder in the presence of HCl. You will get chlorobenzene. Next, in the case of preparation of bromobenzene, diazonium salt, here bromo, diazonium salt is treated with copper powder in the presence of HBr, you will get bromobenzene. Means Gutterman reaction means what? Instead of using cuprous halide, we can also use copper powder and halogen acid with diazonium salt to prepare the haloarenes. That reaction we call it as Gutterman reaction. This is about the preparation of haloarenes. In the last class, we discussed about the preparation of alloalkanes and alloarenes, and now we need to know about the properties of alloalkanes. Properties means two types are there. One is physical properties, another one is chemical properties. In that first one, physical properties. Physical properties means we need to tell about the alloalkanes. What their structures means, it may be color or not, it may be sweet or not, or physical state. It may be liquid, gaseous or solid, or solubility of the haloalkanes. Those are all comes under the physical properties. In that first one, alkyl halides are colorless when they are pure form. Here bromine, iodine, both bromine and iodine, both are develops the color when they are exposed to the light, sunlight. If they are in dark room, they are colorless. If we expose to light, they will get the colors. But alkyl halides are most of all colorless when they are pure. Next one, many volatile halogen compounds are sweet smell. Volatile means they are evaporating. When they are evaporating, they will come our nose. That time we get sweet smell. Sweet smell says if halogens also present. Next, about the physical state. Physical state means it may be gaseous or liquid or solid. Gaseous means lower member of alkyl halides. Lower member means methyl, ethyl, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, ethyl bromide, ethyl chloride or chlorofluoroforms, methane. That molecules are comes under the gaseous. They are all gaseous in nature. Liquid means higher member, means but, pent, X, hept, non. Those are all comes under the liquid. Higher member of the alloalkanes are liquid. Furthermore, higher means 18 carbons in the parent chain, 19 carbons in the parent chain, or more than 18 members of carbons in a parent chain. They are all solid, means furthermore higher member of the alloalkanes. They are solid in nature. Next, about the boiling point and density. The boiling point and density of the different alkyl halide are here. Alkyl iodide has more boiling and density, more boiling point and density than the alkyl bromide. Alkyl bromide has more boiling point and density than the alkyl chloride. This is because of what? Here, atomic size of the chlorine is less compared to the bromine, bromine is less compared to the iodine. Because of the size of the atomic size of the halogens, they are varied. If atomic size increases, boiling point also increases, density also increases. Here what happened? If atomic size increases, magnitude of the van der Waals force also increases. To break that force, we need to supply the more temperature. Means they will hydrocarbons get more boiling point and density. Here why it is like this? Because of the magnitude of the van der Waals force is more in size of the atomic size of the iodine is more, that's why. Next, about the due to the polar nature of CX bond. Polar nature means here halogen has more electronegative atom, so it drawn towards the center. What? Electrons are drawn towards the halogen atom, so it is slightly negative, it is slightly positive. So here two charges are forward, so that bond we call it as polar bond. That molecule we call it as polar molecule. That polar molecule exerts dipole-dipole interaction. Due to that dipole-dipole interaction, alkyl halide have higher boiling point than the alkane. Alkyl halides have higher boiling point compared to the alkane. In case here CH4 methane, it has one boiling point, but in the case of methyl chloride, here methyl chloride has more boiling point than the methane. Next one, alkyl halide, the increasing branching decreases the boiling point. For example, If it is straight line, it has more boiling point. But here what happened? Two branchings are there. It gets spherical in nature, spherical shape. Due to the spherical shape, the boiling point of the hydrocarbon will be decreases. If it is straight chain, it has more boiling point compared to the branching hydrocarbon. Because of what? It is get spherical in nature and bond strength will be weakened. Here what happened? Bond strength will be weakened compared to the straight chain. That's why boiling point is less. Next one, increasing in presence of carbon numbers means butane. Butane has more boiling point than ethane. Why? Here 4 carbons are there, here only 2 carbons are present. That's why if the number of carbons increases, boiling point also increases because strength will be more. If the more members are there, they are holding their hands, we can't break easily. If more members are there, if it is only 2 members holding their hands, we can break them easily. Like that, if less carbons are there, we can break it easily by using less temperature. But here 4 carbons are there, means more number of carbons, they can break easily. They require more temperature to break. Next, about the solubility. Alkyl halides are insoluble in water. Why? Because they can neither form hydrogen bonding with water or nor can break hydrogen bonding of water molecule. So they are insoluble in water. Next, about the chemical properties of haloalkane. Here nucleophilic substitution reaction, elimination reaction, reaction with a metal. 3 types of chemical reactions are possible. In that, first one, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Substitution means what? The one compound will take the place of another one. That one we call it as substitution. Which one takes substitution here? Nucleophilic means, for example, this is the nucleophilic, negatively charged. What is mean of a nucleophile? Nucleophiles, it is a negatively charged, it go and attacks the positively charged compound. In the CX bond, what happened? In the CX bond, X is more electronegative than the carbon. X means halogens. Halogens are more electronegative than carbon. So they pull the electron towards the halogen atom. Here shared pair of electrons are there. What happened? This shared pair of electron pulls towards the halogen atom. So this is get slightly negative charge. This one gets slightly positive charge. So we call it as what? Polar molecule. When they form the charges on on the atoms, that one we call it as polar molecule. Here what happened? This nucleophile go and attacks this positively charged atom, and this negatively charged atom, what happened? It goes out. It is a leaving group. Already presented halogen atom acts as a leaving group. It leaves the group from the CX bond. It leaves the group. That's why we call it as leaving group. Halogen is called it as leaving group. Here what happened? Nucleophile is negatively charged. That nucleophile wants to attack positively charged atom. In this case, carbon gets slightly positive charge. That's why it's go and attack the carbon. We will get what? Carbon nucleophile plus X minus. Here halogen is leave the group as halide ion. It leaves the group like halide ion. In the form of ion, it leaves the group, and we will get this as the main product.